For the last 2 road trips we've been on, I've started carrying bags like this, but they just weren't enough. So I decided to upgrade to this Orient Famule, and this one has it all. So I really enjoy these organizational sections here. These are for your different wires, so you can organize all your different wires and your different adapters. And this gives you a full 2-page spread here. It's also on top, and it's a little smaller, so it's, in other words, it's going to be a lot easier. I have a couple of these that it's a little difficult to remember which side's which. This one has a much larger organization side, and as you can see, there's these padded sections, so if you're going to have something like, oh, I don't know, a delicate player or some sort of an optic or cameras or something, they're going to be padded in here, but you can also organize it just however you want. That's awesome. Then it also has this zippered pockets on the side, as well as the containers again for holding things with elastic. So this is going to be a great organizer. Carry it around with the handle. It's strong enough and looks nice. It's going to go well with luggage, but this is going to be able to carry my battery backups, maybe an extra camera, and all those wires that you need but end up being where you can't find them, or they're out in the car. This way you keep everything together. I also just noticed that it has a semi-rigid lid, so that means this stuff's going to all be protected as well. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.